If you use Instagram for your business and you have multiple accounts, you need to try this.
Here we go again.
Firstly, open your Instagram account. Then, click on that plus button like you want to post on your Instagram account. Once you're done doing that, then set up your post, write your caption, select the picture, do every necessary thing like you want to post. Now, hold up. Click on tag, then invite collaborators. Once you click on that, set for your second Instagram account, then select your second Instagram account or your backup Instagram account. Once you are done doing that, then post your picture, and this will allow those two accounts to post simultaneously. You still need to do one thing though. You need to go to the second Instagram account and approve the review. Once you are done doing that, then you are good to go. That Instagram post or reel video is now going to be posted on both Instagram accounts. That means if you are having 10k Instagram followers here and you're having another 10k Instagram followers on the second account, that means you are showing your post to 20,000 Instagram followers simultaneously. Now, for businesses that do not have a backup account or a second Instagram account, and the reason businesses do keep this second account is in case Instagram disable the official account. If you need to get an Instagram with 1,000 to 100,000 followers account, just go to your set button and search for metroripe.digital. You can chat with their support and give them your request. If it's a 1,000 followers account you need, 2,000 followers account, up to 100k followers account, and you can get from them at an affordable rate. Thank me later and see you when I see you in the next video.